Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop-loss order in place.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. We got one trade for tomorrow, one. We'll see what happens. We're very indecisive up here with this S&P and the NASDAQ. S&P has signals that don't really show positiveness up here. NASDAQ's got signals that makes it look like it wants to pop. I'm going to go with the NASDAQ trade. Let's see what happens. We got trade set up for 425.07 Wednesday. Omni support 1865.5 to 1863.5. Currently trading at 1869. We back off a little. Put your buy orders in. Try to get long between 1865.5 and 3.5 or wherever around that level makes you comfortable. Omni turns neutral if we get below 1853. So if you get yourself long around the 65, 63.5 area, you get below 1853, knock yourself out. It's probably going to end up being a bearish day. Omni's profit objective, 1885 or be out by the close. However, on the way up, if we get long at 1865.5 to 63, there should be resistance noticeable around the 1879 area. So let's see what happens. Up there around 1879, you may get some selling pressure. I think we can get through it. I think the NASDAQ looks good here. The Omni's green. I like it. Let's see what happens. Again, quick setup, 65 to 63.5. On a pullback, you're a buyer. Keep your stops below 1853. 1885 is our profit objective on the upside with some light resistance expected at 1879. As always, be out by the close. If you're with me today, I left a message on yesterday's Omni for the S&P, and I let you guys know if we trade down to the low end of my expected range before we ever get a chance to sell the high end, cancel your trades because likely the trade wouldn't work. It got down to our low end, turned around and rallied right back up for the rest of the day, and then just sat there. For me, if the trade's not setting up properly, I walk away. I have nothing to do with the trade. That's part of keeping your emotions out of your trading. With that in mind, always, always be patient. These markets will be here tomorrow. They'll be here the next day. They'll be here 3 weeks from now. Whether you've traded today or not does not matter. You can come back and do it again tomorrow. So if this trade doesn't set up, and if you're only taking my trades, you're done for the day. Go out, go play some golf, go have some fun, go shopping at the mall, whatever it is that keeps you happy, and then we'll come back and try this again tomorrow. Just keep that in mind. Always, always be patient with these markets. Let them come to you. If you start chasing these markets with the S&P trade, for instance, you know, I can't see a positive trade that I can give out. I can't see a positive trade that I can take to feel comfortable about, so I'm certainly not going to give one out to you guys. Point being, I won't even make an attempt in that S&P tomorrow. If I can't map it out the day before, I am not jumping in there with the sharks and having them biting at me all day long and nipping at my profits or at my equity. So I'll stay away unless a trade sets up. Nothing up setting up in the S&P, I stay away. I see a NASDAQ trade, I'll jump in if it sets up. And that's the way I trade. Keep your patience at all times. Keep your patience with you. Keep your emotions at bay. And know that these markets will be here tomorrow. The other side of that is do your own homework. And if you like this trade, jump in. If you like the S&P tomorrow, jump on in. I'm not telling you not to trade it. For my style, I don't see a trade tomorrow. So that's what I have there. As always, ladies and gentlemen, you know I try to bridge the gap for you. I try to bring you into today's technology, away from the days of the floor where you used to call people and you had guys down in the pits and they would tell you what was going on and who's buying and who's selling. That is quickly drying up, as you know. They're leaving it to us to stand here alone and place our orders. Tink, tink, tink. You got to place them on a keyboard and hope you're right. Well, I'm here to help you get that stuff right. So you come to me every day and I'll be here. When these markets are open, you can expect short-term trading to be here to help you guys bridge that gap. Okay, as always, I like to tell you about my show I'm doing at the Mandalay Bay. I'll be in Vegas May 13th, May 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th. We'll be at booth number 613. 613. Mikey knows that booth number by now. All right, so we'll be at booth 613. Come on down to the Mandalay Bay. If you are going to come down and meet me, and as I've said every night, we'll do some classes down there. We'll get to meet our friends. We'll get to meet our crowd. We got a seminar, a live seminar to do in front of the whole show. It should be great. I'm excited about it. You guys excited about it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You hear that? Yeah. Sounds like a bunch of cows back there, but I bet they're excited about it like I am. Anyway, so if you're going to come down, shoot me an email at oscarinvegas@gmail.com. If you'd like to get on my Flash Updates database, which is for you newcomers, my Flash Updates are my way of letting you know when I'm going to make adjustments to these trade recommendations, my OMNI recs that I put out each day. In order for you to know how I'm wiggling in and out of these things, you need to be on my Flash Updates database. To do that, simply go to futurestraders.com, which is my website, where you can find the OMNI and forums, charts. There are things there to keep you busy while you're waiting for these Flash Updates. Go there, futurestraders.com. Fill out a registration form that puts you on the Flash Updates database automatically. You can always call me. I man these phones 24/7, and anybody who knows me knows that that's true. 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, there's Oscar. Hello, can I help you? I know, but hey, I'm here to do it, right? Someone's got to do it. Anyway, give me a call at 718-351-2266. I'll be here for that. The Gmail address that's been ixnayed has been changed to
Oscar at futuresanalysts.com.
Oscar at futuresanalysts.com. Send me an email there. I get back to all my emails. In fact, you guys, today I didn't get back to any emails. Very busy today. I had some things to take care of. I will get back to you guys, though, so send those emails in. Is there anything else you guys want me to cover?
How about the YouTube site?
When you're at my YouTube, say thanks, Mikey. When you're at my YouTube spot, www.youtube.com/futuresanalysts, hit the subscribe button. That will enable you to get my videos the moment I upload them to YouTube. Speaking of which, YouTube, as I've mentioned before, their popularity is growing in leaps and bounds. But that gives us a little bit of a time lag when we shoot our videos to them lately, because they get so many videos at once and try to post them all. So to rectify that, we've put the videos right at our site. They immediately go out to futurestraders.com. You can click step 3 on my front page. That'll take you right to the video archives. You can see the videos, today's video, and everything that we've ever done before that. So go there and check out my videos. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see if we can catch one here tomorrow. I'm sure we'll have S&P trades for tomorrow, being Thursday, right? Tomorrow's Tuesday, if we put out trades for Tuesday night. So we'll have trades for Wednesday, most likely, in the S&P, and we'll see what happens. All right, traders, as always, say this to yourself every day. Say it when you get up in the morning. Say it every time you're going to place a trade. Stops are in, emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.